विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मानवता निर्माण करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मात पिता ने हमको जन्म दिया, मेरे हित हरदम किया दिया।
मात पिता ने हमको जन्म दिया, मेरे हित हरदम किया दिया।
हम मेहनत कर सुबह शाम रोशन करेंगे उनका नाम।
हम मेहनत कर सुबह शाम रोशन करेंगे उनका नाम।
पौरुष चरित कमान भरे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मन वचन कर्म से एक सभी, अन्वेषक अनुरागी नेक सभी।
मन वचन कर्म से एक सभी, अन्वेषक अनुरागी नेक सभी।
माँ की करुणा से ओत प्रोत शिक्षक सारे हैं ज्योति स्रोत।
माँ की करुणा से ओत प्रोत शिक्षक सारे हैं ज्योति स्रोत।
बल कौशल ज्ञान प्रदान करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
शिक्षा के हैं हम आदर्श, हम में समाहित सारा भारतवर्ष।
स्कूली शिक्षा के हैं हम आदर्श, हम में समाहित सारा भारतवर्ष।
हमरा ही है विश्व विजय के अनुशासन जय अभय विनय के।
हमरा ही है विश्व विजय के अनुशासन जय अभय विनय के।
संगठन शक्तिमान करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
हम सबके पोषक हैं पूषण, हम गुरु शिष्य करें साथ नमन।
हम सबके पोषक हैं भूषण, हम गुरु शिष्य करें साथ नमन।
दोनों में बल हो निश्चल हो, मन का हर कोना उज्ज्वल हो।
दोनों में बल हो निश्चल हो, मन का हर कोना उज्ज्वल हो।
परमात्मा प्रीति प्राण भरे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
Everyone, so today we are going to do a tour of our school. So this is the starting point. So we are starting with this. You can see this is our beautiful stage, and now we will visit our primary wing. So this is the entrance of our school, of our primary wing. As you can see, now there is beautiful artwork on the walls. The beautiful artworks are there, like you can see. So there are a lot of boards and artworks are there on the walls of the school. So this is our primary wing. You can learn a lot of things from here. So this is the artwork or diagram of parts of flowering plant. Now we will move forward. These are classes, like you can see. Again, there are more beautiful artworks, and you can learn a lot of things from here. Like you can see, a lot of beautiful artwork are there, and you can learn a lot of things related to your subjects as well. Like you can see, these are our classes. This is the parts of external body parts. Now some more boards, and this is our blackboard. You can see, you can learn a lot of things from these beautiful boards. Now we will come to our HM room. This is our HM room. So this is our HM room, like you can see. There are a lot of beautiful things here. And now this is our staff room. There's a beautiful board here. Now students, this is your activity room. There are a lot of beautiful artwork here also, like you can see. Beautiful animal world, like you can see. There are a lot of projects work also. It's beautiful, isn't it? So these are our classes, as you can see, and these are fully ventilated. Also it focuses on cooperative learning, as you can see. Students can learn together here. Also there are many artworks, beautiful artworks related to the subject. So that's all about our primary wing. Thank you. And now this is our medical room, but it is locked. Okay, so now we will move forward and we will see our playground. There are some beautiful plants as well, like you can see. And this is our big ground. And now we will moving forward toward our playground. So this is our playground, Bal Udyan. Like you can see, this is the basketball court. So this is our Bal Udyan. And now we will see swings. A lot of swings are there. Like you can see. A lot of swings are there. Isn't it nice? You can do a lot of fun here. Now in this basketball court, there is a wall as well, on which a lot of scouting and guiding instructions are written, like you can see. Now there are a lot of beautiful artwork again. So welcome students. Now we will move forward towards our stairs and we will see other classes. You can see, you can learn a lot from these stairs as well. So again, there are beautiful artworks and you can learn a lot of things from them. Here we have 4th and 5th classes. Now we will see them. Now you can see here also, there are a lot of beautiful boards. So this is our scout and guide room. Now here also there are a lot of rules are written, English grammar rules, so you can learn a lot from here. So these are our classes. As you can see, you can learn a lot of things from here. It is the list of adjectives and more rules of tenses. Now we will see some more classes here. Like you can see, you can learn a lot of things. The water cycle is here. Now this is our computer room. As you can see, there are a lot of computers here. So this is your computer lab. So you can see there are a lot of computers here. You can do your computer practicals here. This is your computer lab. Now you can see this is our library. And now we will see our library. You can see a lot of notice board are also there and a lot of artwork here also. There are a lot of books here, like you can see. These are the shelves where you can find your notebooks and textbooks. So this is our library basically. So there's your boys toilet. Now so here also this is your boys and girls toilets. Now this is our music room. As you can see, our music teacher Sapna ma'am is working here. Now you can see a lot of co-curricular activities and music achievements are also there. So there are a lot of instruments also. You can see a lot of music instruments here. So this is our music room. And now this is our games room.